Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Ace 2V, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gestures, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. After releasing, you can see that here we've got all previously opened apps, and if you want to, you can close, for example, only one of it or 2 of them, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But of course, you can turn all of them just by tapping on close all. And as you can see, we've got this information that our system is in optimal condition, which simply means that we just successfully turned off all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.